You could put it on the available. You could put it sideways, diagonal. Anything on the B is yours.
That's not home. It's not home.
All right, look at me. Take a picture. Ready?
No, we are taking a picture.
You go on this side so we can see the B. All right, there we go. All right. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at our new house and see how far they've come in building.
Yeah, literally took a really long time.
Who's talking? I can't see. Who's talking? I can't see anybody talking.
That's a lane.
Elaine, I can't see you.
Lane is happy, Angel is happy, all is happy. Right?
Okay, we are going to see our brand new house to see how it's almost done. So welcome, and hopefully we're going to enjoy watching us as we go through the house and see the construction, see how it's moving on.
Yeah,
So.
This time, yeah.
Yeah, we were stressed with time. Last time I was stressed.
I can't believe this is
Oh, that's our balcony over there.
So you're finally here to see the So it looks like everything is almost getting on well. Nice and well. The house is like almost done. People see the new house. So this is the basement. The rec room.
Here we are in the rec room. They still need to lay the flooring and all of that. Right now out back, they're working on the grade back here. And on the front, they're cutting out driveways so we can get ready to pour. Ready, starting our finals. That's your water heater there. And here we have the mechanical system. It's nice and full of plenty of stuff right now.
Oh, the edge is here.
Getting wrapped up their electrical finals. Not everything's turned on. No lights for today.
Okay.
Garage in here. And we'll take it upstairs.
Oh. Looks like cabinets. Jikoni kwa hii side. Kuna kitu kwa hii side nyingine.
That was just flipped around to me.
Yeah.
Sabina just flipped around.
We've got flooring in up here, granite countertop, backsplash, cabinets. The deck just finished installing last week. So everything is set up out there. They're still doing paint touch-ups, paint final, drywall touch-ups, and then also the electrical final is still in progress. You can see they've set the fixtures, but they haven't tied everything into the breaker yet.
Yeah, that thing's gone.
We got it taken care of. And just watch your step around the registers there. They haven't capped them yet.
I'm gonna get inside there.
So I want you to put your foot through there.
Okay. So the AC is set.
Oh, we have one of those things. I always see that YouTubers have those like two little things in there. But we have different ones.
Don't talk about what? So they're working.
So they're working in the plumbing final right now. So setting shelving as well. Setting toilets, tying in all the fixtures. And they're installing the shelving right now.
Shelving. Lost it.
What do you think?
Hey, how you doing?
We're just walking through quickly.
Okay. Another one. Another details. What do you have to?
You decide how you position your bed. Those feet.
How do you?
Either this way.
I think you have to turn down your bedroom. Bedroom is so busy. It's so busy. You have to turn it down.
This door's gonna be blocked. This door's gonna be blocked. We put a bunk bed over here.
No, the bed will be on this side.
But if we put the bunk bed over here, this door.
This is yours over here, right?
This looks big enough.
So which room is whose?
How do you decide? You have a lot of time to think of when my desk. You're gonna go starting from bottom there.
Why don't we put the bunk bed in our room? It'll block the doors.
No.
You'll see what's down here.
So
gonna
so
be down
what,
there.
so what will you be overlooking there?
If she'll be here, she's gonna be in the bottom.
So which one did you decide? This one or the other one?
July.
So July 19th is when we'll do the new home orientation and settlement. I always tell people it is a work in progress until that day. So we should be done pretty much that week leading up into the new home orientation. And when we do the new home orientation, everything will be completed, 100% complete, and we'll walk the washer and dryer back here.
Okay. See. Wash and dry.
You just fix on the wall. You just buy like
the doors kind of be in the way.
you just open it. You just
Yeah, it looks like it's gonna be your bed. It's gonna be your mom's bed.
It's all bedroom.
Yeah, that's your bedroom. We're gonna make this your bedroom.
So this is a master bedroom.
You like it?
Yeah. Walk-in closet. What's that? That's the level.
Yeah. Find a wood.
Okay.
So it gives them the set distances for where to drill and everything.
Oh my gosh, my hair.
Oh, yes, absolutely. The handle hasn't been installed yet, so.
Okay.
Okay.
Slide it open right there.
Cook some meat here.
Are we gonna put like grill here?
Whatever you want.
If we have a
That's already occupied.
Yes.
grill in our car,
Okay.
right? I don't know if we now we have more.
Moving along. It is. It's the 10 by 18. That's where the sink will go.
That's the kitchen. Some long shots. The kitchen. Then
When you come from school, you don't have to run upstairs. Just get in the
it's the
bathroom.
lower
That's a
bathroom.
Yeah,
Did they tell us that's gonna be a bathroom?
it's a bathroom.
So that means we can just go here.
Basement.
Yeah. And then this is where you can hang your stuff. What room is that? That's a garage. Oh, that's a garage.
I don't know if that's useless.
The garage.
That's the way you can hang your clothes. It's gonna get you up, Jack.
So that's the garage door. So let's see the. What did you ask?
Just watch your step behind it.
What color are the doors going to be?
Oh. So this is another part of the same building place is another part of the same housing complex. You can see these are look slightly different from the ones that we're showing you. These are like bigger garage. They've got like a two-car garage, and if you have a two-car garage, like you lose a room in the house. So you choose whether you want to have a car, bigger garage or an extra room. So everything's coming up well. So the cost of the houses. So the cost of the houses is like about 400,000 US dollars. It's worthy the price because they're very nice houses. And over here we have shopping complex just around here, and this is the view from these are the mailboxes. So when you have letters, the post office will deposit your letters here. When you want to post a letter, you just put it here. When letters come, they are put in these mailboxes, so you don't have to go to the post office. So this is the permit for construction of the houses. This is one block for the houses. This is another block, and there's another block. And like we have a very busy place. So this is the back side of the two-car garage. The garage is very big. The deck is very big, but it takes more space, so you have less room. So you can see it's a nice place to stay. The place is very complex, nice, easy. So it's time to us to go back home. Hope you enjoyed watching our videos, and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.
So that's an update to our new home, and we're gonna be in when? Next month, right?
Yeah,
end of next month. So they'll be done with everything.
End of July.
End of July, right?
Yeah.
They'll be done with everything, the backyard and whatever. Everything will be done. So when you come back, they'll be organizing the home, buying new furniture if possible, and all that. Hope you enjoyed watching our videos, and if you can, please subscribe. What do you want to say, Audrey and Delaney? You have fun?
If you guys want to be signed when we do our house
You can
tour, make sure you subscribe, like Mommy said, and turn up the notifications so you don't miss any videos, especially the house tour that we're going to do.
Perfectly said.
Yeah, Enya is upcoming YouTuber.
Journalist.
I'm not from YouTube, okay? I'm on YouTube 20%.
Are you sure?
She is, that's true. Probably.
And maybe some furniture shopping.
So we shall be showing you a few things like furniture shopping, like moving, how we can be moving, packing, and setting up a new house. And it's exciting to move from that old house to go to this new house, and everything else, like setting up a new place to stay, a new home, a new environment. It's gonna be fun. So I hope you're going to enjoy watching the videos and enjoy our journey as we share with you. What do you say?
Definitely. Hope you will be in the flies outside.
Okay.
You have been inspired, and hope to see great more new videos that have inspired you. Thank you for watching. Those are they are missing that big Hummer down there. That